Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you can join us. So this week we are helping a community member and her name is Yolanda. And Yolanda writes to us, "Hello, my name is Yolanda." Hi Yolanda. I ran across your videos on YouTube and I'm hoping to see a demonstration of my dream centerpiece. My wedding is in June, and after getting quotes from florists, I dread spending that much money for one day. I totally get it, Yolanda. Totally get it. My wedding colors are peach, gold, and navy blue. Please help. Well, guess what, Yolanda? We have got this beautiful peach blossom centerpiece just for you. And anyone else can help too. So I hope you like it. I'm so excited. So with that being said, let's get started with this week's episode, Peach Blossom Dream. Let's go. One of the most expensive aspects of a centerpiece can be the vase. So I'm going to show you how to create this $3 vase using vases I got from the Dollar Tree. First, I'm using a Roman urn 4-inch vase, and I've turned it upside down. I'm going to attach a 7-inch vase to the top of it using E6000. Let that dry overnight with a weight on top of it. Once that's completely dry, you're going to add E6000 to the rim of that vase and attach an additional 7-inch vase on it. With that, you're going to end up with a vase that's right around 22 inches tall for $3. You can't beat it, guys. Next is time for the embellishment. We're going to take gem ribbon and we're going to cut it in strips to go ahead and wrap around the base. You're going to go all the way down. This will, in addition, cover up the seam where you attach the two 7-inch bases. So you have an option here. You can stop where I stopped, which was at the urn base, or with a little bit more patience, you can do the embellishment all the way down to completely cover it. Apply hot glue to the rim of your vase, and then you're going to simply place your foam ball on top of that. Press down lightly just to make sure it adheres, and you'll be ready to apply the beautiful flowers. Before we add the flowers, we're going to attach gem garland using floral pins to the foam ball. I'm going to attach one straight strand that's right at about 14 inches long, and then I'm going to attach a second straight strand, which is half of that, about 7 inches long, both using floral pins. So next we're going to attach hanging tea light holders using our same gem garland. For one of them, I'm going to attach a 7-inch garland, and that's going to be placed on the long side where I have the 14-inch garland hanging. Now the key is add a little bit of hot glue to the end of the pins. That way when you attach it to the foam ball, it won't fall out and you won't be frustrated. You're going to attach a second hanging tea light holder also with the garland, and that garland strand is right at about 6 or so, maybe between 5 and 6 inches long. Next, we're going to go ahead and attach some looping garland. Each one of these strands are 12 inches long. Well, Yolanda, I hope we made your dream come true. Thank you so much for allowing us to be a part of your special day. Don't forget, guys, all of the links to the supplies that we used in this week's tutorial are right below this video in the description. Please be sure to subscribe so you can be one of the first to know when our videos are posted every single Wednesday. Like us, send a comment. We love to answer your questions or just your words of encouragement. They mean more than you could ever know. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, if you need some help with a project. Click on the Project Request tab and follow the easy steps. Also, check out our awesome blog post as well as the written and picture instructions for our projects. We are so grateful that you take this time to spend with us. We know you have many options, and we are so grateful that you chose us this week. Always remember that when every penny counts, guys, count on MissPlanIt. Have a wonderful week. Take care. See you soon. God bless.